Sriram. Welcome to Sriram Creation, and today I'm going to unbox and give a full review about one product, this thing, the boAt Rockerz 225. Okay, so first of all, if you haven't watched my video on the Realme Buds Air, then you have to go watch it, this thing. So it's right on top, so you can go watch there. And if you haven't watched my previous video about the cheapest tripod stand, then even go watch that. It's also right there on top of you. Okay, so let's get a quick unboxing of this thing. So here we have the Rockerz wireless Bluetooth headset 255, and on top you have that boAt Sport, and on the bottom you have some boAt symbol. I think, yeah, it's a boAt. And on the side you have boAt, and again on the back you have a lot of things. One, you have this noise cancellation, this CVC noise cancellation audio technology connects two devices simultaneously, 10 mm drivers, and magnetic lock, music playback up to 6 hours, and it has Bluetooth version 4.1. Okay, that's cool, and it's wet and water resistant. That's also cool. And here is fueled by passion. Okay, that's cool. And on the bottom, you have a you have a QR code to scan. I don't know what is that for. And on this side, you have some social media pages from boAt, and also the packaging contents in-ear earphones, USB charging cable, manual, okay, and some technical charging norms, etc. Okay, now this is the view of the Rockerz 255 wireless Bluetooth headsets. Now let's open this up. Let me see if I can open it like this. No, we can't open it like that. Now you have a top tape on it, kind of so hard to take that off. Yep, it's coming almost. Yeah, okay, so I got that tape rid, and I have again that thing over there. Okay, I got that even off, and then tight packaging. Now let's get the first look of this thing. Okay, so let's just keep this aside. And now you have this boAt Rockerz earphones, which we'll come to later in a while. Let's see what else this packaging contains. You have a wait, let me show you. Okay, it's coming out. Now this thing, there is a user manual over here. So you have all the contents written in here, all the functions of this thing, and this is the user manual. And this is a big huge paperwork which deals about all the other products which boAt provides. Okay, that's a good type of marketing. And then you have the warranty card of this product. Let's keep that aside. And you have a USB cable which is from type A to micro USB, which is a fantastic thing. And then you have some extra ear tips also. So based upon your ear, you can change the ear tips, and you can enjoy your music. Now let's keep all these aside and come to this earphones. Now these are like highly, it has good quality. These are made up of good quality, man. Now it's solid in nature, and okay, this has a magnetic lock. We saw that in the key features before. And then it says boAt on top of this magnetic thing. And look at the build quality. It's fine, it's good, and everything is here. This thing, the cable is rubber, and this thing is plastic. Now everything is like flexible, so you can it's flexible, so you don't have to worry. And you have on the right side you have some functional buttons, and on the left side you have nothing. And these are the earphones. Now let's look about the review and my opinion. Okay, so I have been using this for about 2 days now, and I didn't feel any lag in these. So these are just perfect. For daily use, it's really good. And the first thing that we see in this kind of headsets is the sound quality. And in that part, everything is fine. It looks, and it has a good bass, so bass lovers will love this product. Well, some reviews I saw on YouTube, they were saying that it has quite high bass, which is totally wrong. I'm sure that it's wrong. It doesn't have high pitched bass because it just has 10 mm bass drivers, so you're not going to face that much high bass, but it's still good. And so the next, coming to the mic quality, well, it is under the sound, right? The mic quality is absolutely fantastic. So you don't have to worry that when you're in a call, the other person can hear you clearly. So you don't have to worry about that. Mic is good, sound quality is good. But here there is a little bit of function, of a little feature in this thing, is that it has noise cancellation. Well, it's not a real noise cancellation, but still, these are air locks, right? So these air tips, when you put them in, like this, so you can't hear the outside environment. Well, you can hear it, but comparatively, it's very low. So you'll enjoy the music, and that's where the sound improves. So that's a good thing from boAt. So overall, I would give a 9 out of 10 for the sound quality. Next up is this build quality and fit in your ear. The build quality is very nice because it feels rubberish and plasticky, but it's good. It's good. And the magnets are also strong enough. Well, I don't know how long will these last, these magnets, but still, they are good. And talking about the fit, when you keep these ears in your ears, there is a perfect fit in your ear. So the external voice from the environment will not go inside. So it's kind of that fit which blocks all your ear, so that you might enjoy the music experience. That is how this works. And the fit, don't worry, because you're also getting 2 extra pairs of ear tips, so you can change it according to your ear size. So about that, there are no complaints from my side, and the build quality is very nice. Keeping the price in mind, the build quality is even better than I expected. So that would deserve a 10 on 10. So next up is the Bluetooth range, the connectivity. Well, the connectivity of Bluetooth is not very fast because it has Bluetooth 4.1. So I didn't feel any lag in that. So it's okay for daily use, but it might feel a little annoying when you're pairing it with your phone. And also it has just 10 meters of range from your phone. Well, all the Bluetooth have the same range, but this thing did not lag. So you can keep it in one corner of your house, and then you can move all around your house, and it's fine. It's fine for a normal house. So it's good. 10 meters is just fine. Next, upon, and I would give it a 9 out of 10, because when you go far away from the phone, there is a struck in the music. So that is where you kind of feel annoying. Okay, next up is the battery life. This has a 6-hour battery life. So the boAt company claims that this thing has 6-hour battery life, but it might last you around 5.5 hours or 5 hours max. 5 hours. The max time it is around 5.5 hours. So it's good. It's good for daily use, and you can use it. Like, you're not going to keep using these for whole 5.5 hours continuously, right? So it's good. And to charge this thing, you have a USB cable. They have provided this, and it's especially made up of boAt. boAt made this thing, and it's a USB type. Micro USB, yeah. So if you have a micro USB for charging your phone, you can charge this thing also with that. So it will take around 1.5 hours to charge this thing, or it might take even less or more. It depends upon the charging brick. If you use a 5 watts charging brick, then it will fast okay, in the normal way. But if you have a superpower this charging brick about 10 to 20 watts, then this will charge even faster. So that is about the battery life, and I would give it about 9 out of 10. Now overall, this thing is really good, but there is one thing: it is water resistant. It is water resistant. So when you are like on gym and you're doing exercise and you are sweating, then there's no problem at all. You can use it. So it's complete water resistant. It's IP 65 X65, I guess. Let me check that. And well, where is that? It's IPX5, so it's water resistant, it's certified, so don't worry about that. And coming to this functions, there is a middle button over here. Let me take this off. There is a middle button in here, so you have three buttons. One in the middle, it's for pause play or to attend calls or reject calls, and the upper button is for the volume plus, yeah, it's to increase the volume, and the lower button is for decreasing the volume. And if you press this upper button, I mean the volume plus button, for about 2-3 seconds, then you will go to the previous song. Yes, yeah, you'll go to the previous song. And if you press and hold the this button, the down button, then you'll go to the next song. So which is good, but I felt a lag over there, because when you press this button over here, and the phone will not act so fast, because it's not the phone's problem, but instead it's the Bluetooth connectivity problem. So it's not a much gap. It will take around just 1 second. Well, it is, you can feel that 1 second, because you can guess that 1 second. It will take a little bit of time, but no, it doesn't feel it's not a game changer, so that's good. And it has many other functions that we had discussed in the unboxing session. Now, overall, I would give it 89 out of 100. 89, that means 8.9 out of 10. So it's good. If you want to buy this thing, I'll provide the link in the description. And one thing that excites you is the price of this thing. I got this for 1,000 rupees, but now I got it in Amazon sale, but now it's the sale is not running. It's ended. So you're getting this for 1,500 rupees. So for that amount, if you're good to go with this, then I can recommend you to go for this. Or not, if not, you have a ton amount of varieties in the Bluetooth headsets. Not only boAt, you have many others also, like the OnePlus Bullets. You can go for that. Even they are like even much cooler. So it's up to you. If you're a daily user and want a pretty basic one, then this is good. And there is a pro version of these which is around 200 extra. Well, yeah, it has Bluetooth 5, which it's like the same, almost the same like these. So if you want a pro version of these, so you can spend a 200 more. Now, talking about the more important thing is the disadvantage of this, not disadvantage, the cons of this. Well, one thing is that this magnetic connector, when you see in other headsets, when this magnetic connector attaches, or these two attaches like these, then the music will stop automatically. But here there is no such function. So this is where I found it more depressive, and I didn't like that. So if there was a function like when you press these both together, when these attach, if there was a pause or play in the music, then that would be fantastic. And also when you press the center button, there is Google Assistant, but I didn't feel it that impressive. Uh, well, it's up to you. If you use your Google Assistant, then that's cool. But if you use it frequently, then you might feel a lag while using these. Okay, so that's it for the day, guys. And before leaving, please subscribe. Do hit the like button and also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications. And don't forget to comment. And